Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in my previous video, I showed you the shortcuts for the Kali Linux, how to use the shortcuts by using the terminal. And so today in this video, I will teach you how to navigate through the Kali Linux. So if you haven't watched my previous video, so I would suggest you to watch those videos first. Then it would be easier for you to understand that what will I be showing today. So at first we will be opening the terminal using the shortcut. So it's Ctrl+T. So now I will be typing pwd. So pwd basically stands for print working directory. So when I type this, as you can see, this is showing me currently in which directory I am in. So this is basically the path. So I am currently in Kali directory. And this Kali and @Kali is basically the first Kali is the username and the second Kali is the name of the host machine. So the second comment is cd. Cd stands for change directory. So as you can understand by the name that this command is used for changing the directories. As for example, if I just want to go to like a desktop directory, so I can type cd desktop and then press enter. So you can see that I'm currently in desktop directory. So to check that, I can type pwd. So as you can see, this is showing me the path for the desktop directory. So now if you want to go back up a directory or in the previous directory, then you can type cd dot dot double dot. There should be a space between the dots and the cd, and then type enter. So as you can see, I have came back in the Kali directory again. So now, so if you want to see what are the files or directories available, directories are basically the folders that we say in Windows. So if you want to see what are the directories available in the Linux machine, so for that you have to type ls. So ls stands for listing the directories and file. So the blue, the color code which is purple or kind of like blue, this one are all directories, and the one which are green are basically file or any kind of files which are going to executable files. So these are in green. So if this is in like normal color code, then you will see the file as white, and the directories should be in exact blue color. So since I changed the color of the terminal, so that's why the color of the terminal is like this. So now if you want to if I want to go to the desktop directory, I can type cd desktop. And one more thing, if you just see that it is coming in bold, then you can understand that the command is right, very right. And if it's like this, as you can see that this is not a bold color, so you will understand by this, you can understand that the comment you are typing is wrong or does not exist in the system. So as you can see, if I type cd desktop, and one like the terminal is also case sensitive over here. So if I type d in small case, this won't work. Instead, I have to type the d in capital case and then type enter to go into the desktop directory. So like that, you can go into the desktop directory. So now you can see that there I have typed a lot of comments. So if I just want to clear this out, I will type clear in the command line. So as you can see that this is going to clear out everything. So that's it for the first part of the video. So in my next video, I will show you some more comments. So till then, stay safe. Thank you.